Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text vertically in table in InDesign. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I am already open my document. Then at first, click double click on the table or drag and select all table. Then you can see here are the align menu. Now I am select align center. Then go to the Windows menu and go to the table type and tables and click table. Then we can see here are the table menu. Then select align center or align center. Then press OK. Now you can see center text vertically in table in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.